All right, hi everyone. We're going to show you guys kind of what Skill Workshop is all about. So we're going to play virtual trivia night today. So I'm going to have you guys scan in the QR code on the In Engage app, and then you'll scan once you leave. So this is what you'd scan right here. Okay, so this is kind of long, so I'm going to shorten it up a bit. But do you guys want to break out into two different teams, and then one of you can like choose who's the leader in it?
Yeah, sure.
So you can just pick like two people if you want in your group, and then just let me know who you're going to be with.
Donovan D'Angelo.
He premeditated, ain't he?
Right, that was quick. Yeah. That was so quick.
And then Chantel and Aisha are going to be together.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, so
Yeah.
pretty much you guys can pick a team name. So you guys can talk amongst yourself and figure that out.
The boys.
The boys.
The boys. All right, I
Okay.
guess the girls then, if we're gonna do it like that. Okay.
Okay, so pretty much you guys are going to talk and try to figure out what the answer is together of the trivia. So you can like private message each other if you have the ability to do that, and kind of come together instead of talking out loud, obviously, because you don't want them to hear what the answer is. So just private message whoever you want to be the leader in your group, or just like talk about it with each other. And then the leader, you can decide who wants to speak out. And then I'll just need one answer from what you guys think the answer is. So does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So the first one, the category is television and movies. So the question is, which movie title that Adam Sandler stars in has a scene of gumballs falling down from the sky randomly? So is it A, Jack and Jill, B, Grown Ups, C, Bedtime Stories, or D, 50 First Dates?
Gumballs falling down from the sky. Oh, Lord.
Do we just call out when we have the answer?
That might be it.
If you want, put it in the chat, like private message, Aisha. So you guys can talk about what the answer is, and then one of you can share out what the answer is.
Okay, well, we already talked about it. So can I say it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's C.
That's crazy.
And then do the boys have an answer?
Oh, it's C.
Okay. Yeah, it's C. So
Yep.
this is gonna get a little bit, I was gonna fix it up because the answers aren't on the next slide, but the answer would be on the next slide. So the next one is still on television and movies. So which show was the first to come out on Netflix? So was it A, Outer Banks, B, Riverdale, C, All American, or D, Fuller House?
I don't know.
Okay, so it's not. Which show was
Okay.
the first to come out on Netflix?
I think we got it, but we could be wrong.
It might be.
Let us know you have an answer, boys. Me and Aisha are on it, so.
I think we have to go with what I said. That's the best thing, probably.
Okay.
Go ahead, Urkel. I couldn't even tell you.
Yeah, I don't even know.
We're gonna say, what is B, Riverdale?
I'm crying. We said D. What is Fuller House?
I had a feeling.
Jeopardy style.
I had a feeling it was D.
Okay, so the answer is D. Fuller House came out.
Yes.
Came out in 2016, and Riverdale came out in 2017.
Okay, boys, get on that. We in the lead right now.
I knew it. I knew it. Okay.
Get it together.
All right, so the next one is on pop culture. So at the first Eastern Michigan football game of this season, on September 3rd, 2021, what team did Eastern play against? So A, St. Francis, B, Ohio, C, Western Michigan, or D, Ball State. And this was made like during the time, so now it's even harder because you have to really think about it.
Um, yeah, I don't know.
Donovan, you got this one.
So can I just answer when I got the question ready?
Yeah.
Is it C?
Do you have an answer for the girls?
Ooh, I think we're gonna go
A.
with A. Saint
Yeah.
Francis.
Okay, the answer was A, St. Francis.
This is
Ah,
crazy.
we getting
St.
hacked
Francis is a
up.
School.
It keep this going. I like this.
Mm-mm.
What I just realized,
Hmm.
I was supposed to keep track and I haven't.
I got you. I got
No, they're
you,
about
Rachel.
to. They're
I
about
got
to.
you.
Okay,
We're,
good.
I think we're about tied. Let's just say.
No,
No,
they're about to.
Don't
No.
marginalize ourselves.
Chantal and
Don't
I
do
are
it.
the-
All right, the next one, the topic is on nature and animals. So which dog breed does not shed? Is it A, Alaskan Husky, B, Shih Tzus, C, Golden Retrievers, or D, German Shepherds?
Okay,
Think. Because
That's what I thought
own
too.
one.
yeah. I think that too.
Oh, we're ready. I don't know if you want us to just say it out loud.
Yeah, you can go if you're ready.
Okay, we the boys chose B.
Do the girls have an answer?
I think. Oh, okay. Wait, no, it can't be that because they definitely shed, Aisha.
Go ahead,
It's
Aisha. Go ahead.
They
What's your
100%
answer?
shed. So we're gonna also go with B.
That's crazy.
Okay, the answer is B, Shih Tzus.
That's crazy.
All right, the boys' first point, the girls' fourth point.
We had a point the first round.
No,
Yeah,
you
we-
did not.
Yeah, we
No,
did.
you did not.
We
No, you
both
didn't.
answered the same thing the first round.
Oh wait.
Yeah, y'all up by 2.
Okay, maybe yes. You have 2.
Y'all are
What's
up by
good
2.
with you? What's good?
Yes, you guys have 2.
All right, the next one is on food and drink. So in what year was the blue colored M&M candy introduced? A, 2000, B, 1995, C, 2002, or D, 1984?
Interesting.
That's such a specific question, though.
Yeah.
The blue one.
I looked these up on Google, that's what I created it off of.
Okay, can we get a hint? When did M&M first get created?
I couldn't tell you that.
Okay. That's what I was
Like
thinking.
it-
I'll give you a hint. It's not
Okay.
C.
Well,
Interesting. Take that off. We ain't going with that one.
okay.
Should I just say the answer now?
I'll give you another hint. It's not A or C.
Okay, take that one off too.
Okay.
Hey, Rachel, do we just say the answer now?
Yeah,
For
if
the
you-
girl. It's B.
do the boys have an answer?
We're gonna say the same thing.
Okay, yeah, it was B. All right, so food and drink still. Which fast food restaurant has the highest U.S. sales? A, Chick-fil-A, B, Subway, C, Taco Bell, or D, McDonald's?
Yeah, I think so. It's gotta be.
Okay, we choose D.
Mickey D's.
I feel like we're gonna choose D2, but I feel like that's too obvious of an answer.
No, it's not.
Go ahead. Go ahead, choose A. You know you want to choose A.
I
Go
know
ahead,
it's
get
not
your Chick-fil-A
Chick-fil-A.
off.
It's gotta be
I know it's not
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. There's only like 5 or 6 Chick-fil-A's in wait, actually, there's probably more than that, but there's not a lot.
Go ahead, you can choose Taco Bell too.
No, we're gonna go with D. But watch your BB though. It's D though.
It's not gonna be Subway or Taco Bell. It's for
All
sure
right,
McDonald's.
the answer is B, Subway.
What?
Oh, you
Interesting.
just say it,
Aw.
huh?
Subway
kidding,
makes
I'm
more
kidding.
money than McDonald's?
What did you
What?
I'm kidding.
Oh,
I
Oh,
was about to say.
I just had to throw a little plot twist because it was too boring. Okay, the answer is D, McDonald's.
I was about to say, cause that's crazy.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
So
All
it was D?
Yeah, it was McDonald's.
Okay.
It was too boring though. I had to throw a little plot twist in there. All right, so the next topic is all about Disney. So what is the name of the toy store in Toy Story 2? Is it A, Al's Toy Barn, B, May's Toy Barn, C, Pip's Toy Barn, or D, Dave's Toy Barn?
The girls have to answer.
You got the answer too.
Wait, what'd you say? Hold on. Donovan, what did you say? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I think too. All right, we're ready.
All right, you guys
Girls
can
go first.
just shout it out.
A.
Interesting. We choose
Yeah.
A also.
Mhm.
All right, you both get points. It's A. All right, still on the topic of Disney, where does character Mike Wazowski take his girlfriend Cecilia to her birthday dinner in the movie in Monsters, Inc.? Is it A, Tiana's place, B, Harryhausen's, C, Gusteau's, or D, the Snuggly Duckling?
well, this one is
So-
tough.
Dantel and Arkel both have an advantage for the teams because they played the trivia already. So if you
Yeah,
can
and
go back into your memory.
listen, we don't
answered wrong.
remember.
Yeah.
Well, both teams got an advantage, so we good.
That was a whole month ago.
I don't remember what I ate last night.
Okay, my memory's not that bad.
Mm.
We're ready.
All right, what's your answer for the boys?
B.
We went with B2, but I feel like it's wrong.
That's crazy.
There's still time to change your answer if you want.
Oh.
Two.
I know it's not Gusto's because that's in like a whole nother show.
I think that's Ratatouille.
Yeah, I think that's
Yeah.
Ratatouille. Tiana's
It's B.
place. I
want to stick with B.
Yeah, I don't remember
Yeah.
even hearing about Tiana's place. I don't even know. where
Tiana's
that's at.
place is from Princess and the Frog, her imaginary restaurant.
See, y'all
Right.
been all over the universe. I don't know none of them.
You need to get hip on Disney, but that's a whole nother conversation.
The Snuggly Duckling.
I feel like
Nah,
it's
it's
not
B.
that.
It's B.
All right, final answers.
B.
B.
Okay, the answer is B.
Yes.
That's crazy how she tried to get us to change it up like that.
Right. She's like,
Okay, so I didn't tally it up, but whoever has the points, you can just yell out
Girls way.
one.
the girls won.
Yeah.
We won. We won.
All right, so I have some questions to ask you guys. So is trivia fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I enjoyed myself.
Of course.
Did you have fun with your teams?
Yeah, it was a change
Yeah.
of pace.
Are you sure you're a real one?
You are too.
And then is there anything that could have made this skill workshop easier, better, like more fun for you guys?
Even crazier questions. Like I'm
Ooh.
not saying like that, but I'm saying like stuff that like it like we really be guessing for real. I guess.
Yeah.
Like,
And have it
I think it was a
like
good
time.
introduction though. Like
Oh,
if
for
I had never
sure.
met you guys before, I feel like I would know a little bit more about you now.
That's true. Yeah. But I think the only thing critique I would have is just have it timed, and then like whoever gives the answer like first and is right gets that point instead of it just being whoever gets it right.
But yeah, we should just type it in the chat too, so the other team don't know.
Yeah, just like send it to Rachel and then she'll be
Yep.
like, the answer was.
ooh, that's a good spin.
Ooh, that's a good
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
I appreciate all the feedback from you guys. So obviously the winner is the girls, so we're gonna celebrate a little bit with some clapping.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And make sure that you guys scan the QR code on the EMU Engage app, like you did in the beginning, but just towards the end, so you can receive points. And I just want to thank you all for playing and attending virtual trivia night. You all did great. And it's daytime, so I hope everyone has a great rest of their day.
You too. Thank you.
Too. Thank you.
Thanks, Rachel. We love
Yeah.
you.
Love you.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now.
Fun.